sea plants are part of the Plantae kingdom, which means they are eukaryotes. So they have a nucleus and a cell wall. The Plantae kingdom are also multicellular.
Chris and Brandon both get their energy by eating food. How do plants get their energy?
Plants get their energy by photosynthesis, which is energy from the sun, as you can see Brandon here laying out in the sun.
Plants mostly live on land, and they mostly reproduce sexually, by the means such as pollination.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away.
Seeds can be surrounded by fruit or carried naked on the scales of a cone. As you can see, it is difficult getting to the seed because it is protected. This ensures a more efficient means of reproduction.
There are 5 divisions of seed plants. Ben, get out of here! The first is Psychodophyta. Then we got Ginkgodophyta. Following Genetophyta. Then we got Conophorodophyta. Then we got Anthrophyta. And that concludes the 5 divisions.
Psychodophyta, also known as cycads, there are about 100 species, mostly found in the tropics and subtropics. But there is a wildflower that you can find in Florida. And you can also, if you're really looking, find them in greenhouses or botanical gardens. Just like the Ginkgophyta, cycads have all separate male and female species. Also, cycads' trunks and leaves resemble palm trees, but are not closely related.
Well, hello there. I'm going to tell you one of the 5 divisions of seeded plants. This is the Ginkgophyta. One of its characteristics is that it has male and female structures on separate plants. It's tolerant of smog and pollution, but builders in urban areas prefer the male ones over the female ones because the female ones have this unpleasant smell. One of the species is called the Ginkgo biloba, which is sacred in China and Japan. That's just Chris. We keep him locked in there so he doesn't get out and ruin the movie. Another division is Coniferophyta, which has trees and shrubs that have needle-like leaves. It is very abundant in forests and includes fir, spruce, juniper, cedar, and pine. Most are coniferous, which means they live all year round. Others are deciduous, which means their leaves die. Oh no, Chris got out. Door 51! Door 52! Ah!
That's what I'm talking about. You know, another division is the Genophytum division, which consists of the deserts or mountains of Africa, Asia, North America, South America, and Central America. There are 3 genera of the Genophytum division, and the first one is Genetum, which consists of tropical climbing plants. The other one is Ephedra, which consists of shrub-like plants, and it's the only genera found in the United States. And the third one is the Welwitschia, which is a bizarre-looking plant and only can be found in South Africa, and it can even live up to 100 years.
Our last and final division, and it also happens to be the largest division, is the Anthrophyta division. This division has 240,000 species that have been identified. Also, if you didn't know, this division is the only one that can produce fruit. The animals, they like to eat the fruit, and the fruit actually protects the seed. And the seed, whenever they eat it, the seed gets dispersed and travels, so they grows out. Also, this division is cut into two subdivisions, you might say. The monocots and dicots. The monocot is one seeded leaf. A dicot has two seed leaf. Thank you. This has been Larry King.
Action!
Well, let's see. There are 5 divisions of seed plants. Ben, get out here! Come on, get out! Get out here right now! Come on.
Well, hello there. I'm about to tell you one of the 5 divisions of seeded plants. This is the Ginkgo Fida.
Are you recording?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. 31! 32! Ah! That's what I'm talking about. You know, another division is called the Genome division, which I just farted, and it smells like poop.
This one's for you.
Aaron, I think you failed. That's a wrap!